In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create service reports using HubSpot's Service Analytics tool. This is a simple way to track your team's performance, ticket trends, and customer service metrics, all in one place. Start by heading over to the Reporting section in HubSpot. Once you're there, click on Reports and then choose Create Report. You'll want to select a custom report so you can build it exactly the way you need from scratch. Next, choose your data source. For service reports, this is usually your tickets or contact data, but you can add other sources if needed. After selecting the data, you'll enter the Custom Report Builder, where you can drag and drop the fields you want to include. You can also filter the data to focus on specific segments, like by date or ticket type. For example, you might set the start and close dates for tickets to see trends over time. HubSpot will automatically generate the report based on your selections. Once your report looks good, it's time to save it. Give your report a clear name, like Service Report, and choose whether to add it to a new dashboard, an existing one, or skip adding it to a dashboard for now. You can also enable the Ticket Volume and Trends tab to get deeper insights into your support data. And that's it. You now know how to build a service report in HubSpot to keep track of your team's performance and ticket trends. And that's how you create service reports with HubSpot's Service Analytics tool. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.